Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 10 boot time, guys. So look no further, guys. If your Windows takes a long time to start, I'm going to show you just how we can fix this. So first things first, guys, I want to show you what you need to do. Come here, see this Windows icon, right click it, okay? And you can see a bunch of different options up here. The one, two, the third option, power options. This is what I want you to click on. You're going to go and look for the power options. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be enabling Windows' own fast startup mode. Yes, Windows has a fast startup mode. Now, when you come to the power options, okay, you will not see, maybe you will see the options that we want to look for, maybe you won't see them directly. So there's a way to access them, right? So otherwise you can just come to settings and then go to power and sleep. So if we want those settings to enable Windows fast startup mode, what do you need to do, guys, is come here. There's no options right here. Usually there are, depends on your Windows version, your PC, but we're just going to click here, additional power settings. So if you can't see the settings here, click on additional power settings. Then it is going to soon, guys, redirect us to some extra settings, okay? Now, right here, guys, you might not see the settings here as well, okay? But sometimes you can see them. It depends on your PC, okay? You might not see them. So what you want to do is click on this. Choose what the power buttons do. Click on this. And then, guys, you're going to see a different list of options, right? You're going to choose, what you want to do is turn on this. Turn on fast startup. And you'll see this in the list of options. You're going to see other options as well. So if it's grayed out and you cannot change it, all you need to do is, guys, okay, all you need to do is click on this, change settings that are currently unavailable. Okay, click on that, and then we are going to be using our, admin mode. And then now look, guys, look at this. Now we can either turn it off or on, and then we can just change and save our settings. Literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and as always, guys, make sure you subscribe.